this video, let us discuss a question on powers and remainders. What is the remainder when 3 to the power 256 is divided by 5? Options: A. 1, B. 2, C. 3 and D. 4. Solution: finding the value of 3 to the power 256 and then dividing it by 5 to get the remainder is a tedious job. Instead, let us try to analyze property of the remainder of a number when divided by 5. Note that the remainder of a number when divided by 5 is equal to the remainder obtained when the last digit of the number is divided by 5. For example, 137 divided by 5 gives remainder 2, which is same as the remainder when its last digit 7 is divided by 5. We are required to find the last digit of 3 to the power 256. Let us find the last digit of different powers of 3. For 3 to the power 1, last digit equals 3. For 3 to the power 2, last digit equals 9. For 3 to the power 3, last digit equals 7. For 3 to the power 4, last digit equals 1. For 3 to the power 5, last digit equals 3. For 3 to the power 6, last digit equals 9. For 3 to the power 7, last digit equals 7. For 3 to the power 8, last digit equals 1. Note that 3971 is the cycle of last digits which gets repeated. Therefore, for powers 1, 5, 9, 13, etc., that is numbers of the form 4k plus 1, the last digit is 3. For powers 2, 6, 10, 14, etc., that is numbers of the form 4k plus 2, the last digit is 9. For powers 3, 7, 11, 15, etc., that is numbers of the form 4k plus 3, the last digit is 7. For powers 4, 8, 12, 16, etc., that is numbers of the form 4k, the last digit is 1. In the question, the power is 256. 256 is a number which is exactly divisible by 4. Therefore, 256 is in the series 4, 8, 12, 16, etc. That is numbers of the form 4k. Thus, the last digit of 3 to the power 256 is 1. Therefore, the remainder when 3 to the power 256 is divided by 5 is also 1. The right answer to the question is option A.